Travis is asleep.
So we're gonna go sneak up on Travis and see how he feels about this. Deal? Let's go.
Come on. Oh shit.